Alright, this video is on how to get spark back. It's a 3.8 horsepower Tecumseh pressure washer. It's been sitting around and it lost the spark. First thing you want to do is take the gas tank off so you can get to the bolts that hold it on. Take this flywheel cover off. And then as you can see, look at how rusty the magnets are. I'm going to clean up the magnets on that, and then I'm going to clean up the coil with a piece of emery cloth, and then pull the spark plug out. Once I get it cleaned, I'm going to roll it over and see if we get the spark back, and then see if we can get this running. Alright, give me a minute. Now the remote ain't working. Alright, I pulled the coil off of it so I could sand this better and to look at where it plugs in for any corrosion, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I shined them up, and then we'll stick it back on. When I put it on, I'm going to use about the thickness of a matchbook between the magnets in here, or you can use one of these cards, which that's what I'm going to use, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to take my paper feeler gauge and I'm going to stick it in here, hold that coil back, bring your magnet around, and then get your distance, tighten it down, remove the paper, don't hit. Alright, now I'm going to check for spark. Okay, I just cleaned all that, set the spark plug up here so I can give it a pull, and we got a beautiful spark back. So I'm going to put a little gas down through the carburetor just to see if this thing's worth fixing. If it runs, then I'll clean the carburetor. Hang on a second. Alright, here we go. I just put a little gas in here. We're going to see if she starts. And this is after getting the spark back.